This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Principles, their Data Tools Unit, Lesson 9, Permanent Data Storage, Part 2. Permanent Data Storage. Up to now, the data created in our app disappears or gets lost each time we run the app. You were probably frustrated. For example, that a new contact added by a user didn't save permanently to the list. We can change that. Woo! AppLab Data Tools. AppLab has a set of commands for storing data permanently in a database. A lot of applications would have this. For example, I know Google's AppScript does, which is Google's their API for documents and Drive and all that. Anyways, you can write code to save data and then retrieve it later, even if the app has been stopped and restarted. Altogether, we can call this set of commands AppLab's Data Tools, and they have their own toolbox category called data. What's a database? Where is it? How can I use it? It's easier to show you things than explain it all at once. So let's get started, and we'll explain everything you need to know along the way. Perfect. All right, drag out the create a record. Oh, this is going to save across. Okay, so we'll be building something across. All right, create a record. It has some default code. Run the program. After a brief pause, you should see the message in the console success created a record. Okay. What happened? What was created? Where is it? After you see the success message, click finish and move to the next level. We'll explain. Oh, okay, perfect. Well, I'm moving on. I wonder what it's doing. Let's keep going.